Hi guys, this is just going to be a kind of a macro video of this Victorinox SwissTool Spirit. This is actually the X model. I will have a review out on this soon, however it's still kind of in testing. I haven't had it too long yet, so wait for the review. Sorry if there's any fingerprints, but this is a very hard tool to keep clean. So, you know, I guess if you're thinking about buying it, that's something you should know. Again, this is the X model. Here's your saw. Comes very sharp from the factory. There's the thickness of your stock. Here's the awl. I actually cut myself on that the first time I opened it. It's very sharp. Also has a little hook there. And again, all these tools are locking right here with individual springs, which is very nice. Here is your cap lifter. They call that a wire stripper. I beg to differ. Screwdriver and very thick stock on there. You could do some light, and I repeat, light prying with that. Here's an interesting tool on here. Chisel. Right there, they call that an isolation length cutter. And those are wire strippers. Right here, you have your main blade. A little bit more sweep in there than a standard Victorinox pen blade. Sorry, get to focus. A little more sweep in there, and it's also thicker stock. The other side, you have a file. Same on both sides. And they also did keep the bottom sharp, which is very nice. Standard Victorinox can opener. Best can opener out there, in my opinion. On a multi-tool. I mean, clarifying. Obviously, an electric can opener or something's going to be faster than that. There is your long shanked Phillips driver. That's a nice tool. It gives you a lot of reach. And I have found that this is surprisingly versatile. I've used this on some surprisingly small screws, as well as some pretty big ones. So that's a very versatile Phillips head. There's a small flathead. And here are your scissors. Not standard Victorinox scissors, kind of wish they were, but they work. That's the outside of the tool. You also have this attachment here for if you wanted to put a corkscrew or something like that. On the inside, there's your pliers. Get real close up on those jaws. The bottom is your hard wire cutter, the top is your regular wire cutter. I've used that a little, so. Decently sharp point. So, very nice pliers. overall, guys, I'm very impressed with this tool. I really like it a lot. Just got to carry it a bit longer, get some more testing in before I feel I can give an accurate review of this. So Victorinox Spirit X, so far highly recommended.